This is the Frank Embalm machine tutorial video. This particular model is the 1.10 OCR. First thing you want to do while using this machine is add some fluid in the top here through the filter. Add some water or pre-injection co-injection. Next thing you want to do is you want to turn it on at the power switch here. You're going to get some initial flow going. If you want to control the flow a bit, the C in 1.1 OCR, there's a coarse adjustment. So by pulling it back a little bit, you can affect the flow. What you want to do before you inject is close this clamp here while your pressure is at 0. Slide it into the artery, tie it off. Once you have, release the clamp. It's very important that you do that, otherwise pressure would build up this hose here, and that wouldn't be good. So you open it up, make sure the cap's on your machine, and you can give your injection a go. If you need it to pick up some speed, you just turn the speed controller here. You have control of your flow through your knob there. And if you needed the power, every bit of power is there if you need it. Pressure gauge that you have there, you never want to go above 6 while shooting north on the carotid artery, then you'll have swelling. So you control the injection just by this knob here. And you put it back for another day. Hope you enjoyed the video.